Welcome to Swetark Global Wealth, where we unlock the full potential of your investments through a meticulously curated portfolio. Our diversified investment options span across high-growth sectors, business, financial markets, and real estate, ensuring balanced exposure to traditional and emerging markets. But we don't stop there. Swetark also pioneers specialized opportunities in aircraft leasing and ship leasing, sectors known for their resilience and long-term value appreciation. Whether you seek stability, liquidity, or aggressive growth, our diversified approach ensures your capital is strategically positioned for success. At Swetark, we don't just serve, we lead with integrity, insight, and impact. We are an organization proudly led by chartered accountants, combining the financial discipline and ethical foundation of the profession with a forward-looking vision for global finance. Our team includes accomplished professionals from premier institutions, such as IITs and IIMs, bringing together diverse capabilities across finance, strategy, law, compliance, taxation, and international markets. What distinguishes Swetark is our ability to translate deep research and analysis into actionable strategies, ensuring every financial decision is responsible, data-driven, and aligned with long-term value creation. At Swetark, we believe in active engagement, not passive observation. We work closely with clients to shape outcomes through thoughtful planning, strategic execution, and continuous insight. Every recommendation reflects our commitment to precision, transparency, and professional excellence. This is the Swetark ethos, a platform where chartered accountants lead from the front, upholding the values of the profession while embracing innovation in the financial world. Imagine an investment vehicle built not just to survive, but to thrive amid market turbulence. Through GIFT IFSC, Swetark introduces a game-changing solution, the Trend Immune Hedge Fund. This fund goes beyond traditional strategies, leveraging global arbitrage, multi-asset diversification, and advanced hedging techniques to convert volatility into opportunity. And here's where it gets powerful. With our expertise in derivative trading, Swetark doesn't just hedge against downturns. We turn downward trends into profit-making scenarios. While SEBI regulations permit such derivative trading only for AIFs and retail traders in their own accounts, Swetark is fully authorized to conduct derivative strategies, not just in India, but across international markets. From equities in New York to commodities in Singapore, your capital gains access to the world's most lucrative opportunities, wrapped in a protective layer of strategic immunity. This isn't just smart investing. It's intelligent risk engineering for the modern portfolio. Swetark is more than a research firm. It's a gateway to global financial intelligence, all from our headquarters in Gift City. As a multi-country research organization, we track and analyze financial markets across the globe in real time. From the US to Europe, Asia to Africa, we're always tuned in. Our never sleeps philosophy means we're constantly scanning for opportunities, anytime, anywhere. Whether it's a late-night market shift in New York or an early morning policy update from Tokyo, Swetark ensures your investments are powered by continuous insights and timely decisions. Because in today's world, smart money doesn't slip. Swetark empowers investors to expand their horizons by tapping into a broader global investment landscape, all anchored from a single strategic hub at Gift City. By leveraging deep research and insights across international markets, Swetark provides access to a dynamic global portfolio. Let's break down the key benefits. More countries. Swetark tracks and enables trading in over 60-plus countries and 160-plus exchanges, significantly expanding the universe of investment opportunities beyond domestic boundaries. More companies. With access to more than 1 lakh plus global securities, Swetark opens doors to a vast range of businesses across industries and regions, greatly enriching the pool of potential investments. More opportunities. Our global lens allows us to uncover unique, high-growth potential investments that may go unnoticed through a local-only approach. more diversity. By investing across different geographies, sectors, and asset classes, Swetark helps reduce risk and boost portfolio resilience through intelligent diversification. More stability. A well-balanced exposure to multiple global markets mitigates volatility and helps protect your investments in times of economic uncertainty. In short, Swetark is your gateway to smart, globally diversified investing, guided by research, driven by opportunity. Instead of fragmented investments, your money participates in a dynamic, globally diversified strategy spanning equities, bonds, commodities, derivatives, forex, and private equity. This approach delivers three powerful advantages: liquidity, exit positions quickly with no long-term lock-ins; efficiency, bulk trading reduces overall transaction costs; agility, we shift seamlessly between markets as new opportunities arise, whether it's sunrise in Tokyo or closing bell in New York. In a global economy that never sleeps, your fund shouldn't either. With Swetark, money never sleeps, and neither do the opportunities. Let's look at a key difference. Financial markets versus business, AIF. In traditional markets, your capital goes into listed stocks and bonds. You get exposure, but no control. You react to news, not shape it. With Swetark's business, AIF, it's different. We invest directly in private businesses, startups, MSMEs, high-growth ventures, and often take a significant stake. That means we're not just funding growth, we're driving it. From operations to strategy, we influence outcomes. So here's the difference. Financial market equals passive investing. Business AIF equals active ownership. At Swetark, we believe in giving your investments more than a seat at the table. We give them a voice. Through Swetark Business Ecosystem. Swetark's business. AIF stands out by blending the structured approach of venture capital with the flexibility of hedge fund strategies. We focus on scalable SMEs, providing growth capital in stages linked to performance milestones. This approach ensures funds are used efficiently while helping businesses grow faster and smarter. When the time is right, we exit through strategic buyouts or IPOs, capturing the highest possible value. This method reduces unnecessary dilution and boosts overall returns, consistently outperforming traditional investment models. Welcome to the Swetark Business Ecosystem, a powerful framework designed to scale profitable ventures through deep expertise and strategic precision. At the center is the Swetark Business Health System, a rigorous evaluation tool that filters opportunities based on scalability, profitability, and core technical strength. The ecosystem functions through a tri-party team collaboration. The brainstorming team, comprised of CAs, industry veterans, and domain experts, plays two key roles: identifying businesses worth investing in and providing strategic solutions post-investment based on real-time reports, SWOTs, and risk assessments. The fund management team, under Swetark Global Wealth, IFSC, ensures smart capital deployment into high-growth opportunities aligned with market trends and return potential. The Pragati team executes on the ground, implementing strategies, ERP systems, and delivering real-time business metrics. They're not observers, they're enablers, ensuring smooth execution and sustainable growth. This is the Swetark Business Ecosystem, where insight fuels capital, execution drives outcomes, and businesses don't just grow, they thrive. Let's talk real business. Many founders are brilliant in their core expertise, say technology or product development. But running a successful business needs more than just technical skills. Without Swetark, you may be great at what you do, but you struggle with scaling, speeding, marketing, or managing operations. You're juggling everything, but still missing out on big opportunities. Results? Growth is slow, decisions are reactive, and there's no proper structure. With Swetark, you're not alone. You get expert support in every area of business, from management systems and risk analysis to marketing strategy, SOPs, and ERP implementation. We identify what's missing, plug the gaps, and give you a dashboard view of your entire business health. Think of it like a 360-degree upgrade. Your strengths stay yours and we boost everything else. The result? Stronger execution, faster growth, better decisions, and as the graph shows, performance that's 2 times better across the board. With Swetark, we are not just running a business. We are building a high-performance growth engine. Traditionally, when funds or investors invest into businesses, they often go with the upfront investment model. All the money is invested upfront in the business. Now, while this sounds straightforward, in reality, it can be highly inefficient. Why? Because in the early stages, businesses may have strong potential, but they're not ready to utilize large capital effectively. A big chunk of that money either remains idle or gets spent in areas where it doesn't yield the best results. The outcome? Lower returns and ultimately lesser valuation growth. Now contrast to that with the Swetark ecosystem. We follow an approach where fund flows as and when it grows. Capital is deployed gradually, based on actual requirements and performance milestones. This way, the business gets exactly what it needs, when it needs. This model brings 3 big benefits. Flexibility in capital deployment, higher ROE, since every rupee is working smarter and stronger valuation growth. As funds are aligned with strategic execution, it's the difference between overwatering a sapling and nurturing it season by season. At Swetark, we believe in helping businesses grow in the right way, at the right time. With the Swetark Business Health System and the broader Swetark ecosystem, businesses can seamlessly access cost-effective loans and debt funding from both domestic and international banks. By showcasing financial health and pooling demand across our network, Swetark helps businesses build trust with banking partners, unlocking smoother, smarter funding opportunities, stronger partnerships, lower costs, and healthier growth. At the heart of Swetark's success is a powerful tool, the Swetark Business Reporting System. We begin by generating 3 key reports: the Swetark Business Health Report, a Risk Analysis Report, and a SWOT Analysis Report. These reports help us identify the most important areas that need attention or improvement. Next, our brainstorming team steps in, bringing together diverse expertise to explore challenges and opportunities from every angle. The result? We craft the best possible solutions tailored to each business's unique situation. And with that focused approach, we aim to deliver 2x or more in returns, driving growth that's both smart and sustainable. Let's look at why investing through a real estate AIF is a smarter alternative to directly purchasing real estate. With direct investment, investors typically face around 12% in transaction costs, including registration and GST. Liquidity is low, and investors often end up paying more than even the developer's actual cost. Returns are limited, and managing multiple units can be operationally demanding. In contrast, real estate AIFs offer early entry, similar to that of a co-developer. You participate from the inception stage of the project, before any market markup, and directly alongside the developer. The cost of entry is significantly lower, typically just 1 to 2%, as AIFs avoid stamp duty, GST, and brokerage associated with retail unit purchases. Liquidity is also better managed, with structured exits that are often achievable within a defined time frame. Since AIFs invest at the developer level, the property cost is equal to that of the developer, allowing you to capitalize on full project-level upside, not just retail appreciation. Profitability tends to be higher, especially due to lower entry costs and fund-level structuring. Ticket sizes are streamlined. Investments can begin from 1 crore rupees, offering diversification across projects instead of tying capital to a single unit. And importantly, Tax benefits are often available through AIF structures that are not accessible in direct property purchases. In short, real estate AIFs offer institutional-grade access, reduced costs, professional management, and better aligned returns, making them a more efficient and strategic way to participate in real estate growth. Here's the magic. Taxes hit only when you cash out. With Swetark's fund parking solution, your gains grow tax-free until you decide to redeem your AIF units. The rule: no redemption, no tax. Daily, quarterly, yearly growth? No tax. Redeem units. Tax applies only to the amount withdrawn. Example: if your 10 crore rupees grows to 15 crore rupees over time, you pay zero tax on the 5 crore rupees gain until you redeem. Withdraw 2 crore rupees. Only that 2 crore rupees and its gains are taxed. Why it works? Tax liability stays frozen until redemption. Your profits compound freely, and you control when or if the taxman gets a share. Gift City, globally aligned, tax-friendly, and future-ready. Let's talk about one of the most powerful advantages: tax efficiency through Gift City. As India's first international financial services center, Gift City offers world-class tax benefits, putting it on par with global hubs like Singapore and Dubai. This makes it the ideal gateway for startups raising foreign capital, NRIs investing back into India, and businesses engaged in cross-border transactions. And the strategic impact is huge. It keeps capital within India, eliminates the need for offshore tax havens, and helps investors stay globally competitive without going overseas. With Swetark operating through Gift AFC, your investments benefit from a smarter, more efficient tax environment right from Indian soil. In today's connected world, your money shouldn't be limited by borders. With Swetark's multi-currency account, you can hold, transact, and manage funds in multiple global currencies, all from one account. Whether you're investing across geographies, raising capital internationally, or doing business with global partners, this account ensures easy conversions, lower forex costs, and better control over currency risks. It's flexibility and freedom for a global financial strategy. Swetark tailors its fund options to match your investment ambition, offering flexibility, regulatory efficiency, and strategic access through both Gift IFSC and SEBI compliance structures. Let's explore the key options. Common Pooled Fund, a well-diversified vehicle managed by experts, designed for eligible investors seeking structured exposure. Start with 1 crore 32 lakh rupees under IFSC or 1 crore rupees via CB. Angel Fund, private exclusive AIF. Fuel innovation with focused early-stage bets. Swetark's AI Scout screens over 500 startup pitches monthly to find standout opportunities. Minimum investment, 9 crore rupees in Gift, IFSC or 5 crore rupees under SEBI. Private exclusive AIF, built for UHNIs seeking custom, high-value opportunities, from private equity to pre-IPO plays. The entry point is 26 crore rupees via Gift IFSC and 20 crore rupees under CB. FIF in family investment funds, think dynastic wealth. With a minimum ticket size of 88 crore rupees under Gift IFSC, the FIFs are ideal for ultra-high net worth families building cross-generational legacy portfolios. At Swetark, we proudly position ourselves as your comprehensive, one-stop solution for all things. We specialize in managing funds, taxes, and regulatory compliances. At the core of this expertise is our strong team of chartered accountants, who are not only the driving force behind Swetark, but also its majority stakeholders. In fact, the founders of Swetark are chartered accountants, which is why we confidently say, Swetark is owned and managed by professionals. So we are not just here to serve, we are here to perform. Our chartered accountants bring deep expertise in financial management, fund structuring and oversight, smart tax planning, and seamless compliance handling. Whether you're a business owner, investor, or managing a family office, Swetark gives you the peace of mind that your finances are in safe hands every step of the way. At Swetark, we believe your capital shouldn't just sit idle. It should work harder, grow faster, and deliver real value. That's why we create investment strategies that are safe, backed by thorough research and smart risk management, efficient, ensuring every rupee is put to its best use, personalized, tailored to your unique financial goals, and diversified, balancing growth with long-term stability. Let your fund grow smarter and stronger with Swetark. Where money matters, Swetark is always better. Start your journey at www.swetark.com.